Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's demonstration we will learn about update adapter service. Okay, so we already saw like insert adapter service, select adapter service, and then delete adapter service. So now the fourth adapter service is a update adapter service. Okay, so how you can do that? Before that, we need to check the adapter connectivity. Our first task would be to check the adapter connectivity. Okay, so as I created two adapter service, like two connections here, but this is for a different database and this is for different database. Okay, so now second one is for a SQL database. So let me show you. See here the package name is adapter, transaction type, data source class, server name, then user, then password, then database name is a book, and port number is 1433. So those particular connection is active, and also you can see in SQL Management Studio, I say this is my user, and the book this is my database, and here book this is my table name. Okay, so now I'm looking for this. Let me run this particular table, like select of 100 rows. Okay, now here you can see the book id is 107, author is xyz, and title abc, price 340, published date and description dsci. So now I want to change the particular book 107 author name, like XYZ. Instead of XYZ, I want to update something else. Okay, so now how you can do that? So with the help of like update adapter service, you can do. So let me create the adapter service. So just right click new, then adapter service. Here you can select, like you can give the user defined name as update adapter service. So this name is already exist. I'll give as a one, update adapter service one. Then click on next. Here you can select the adapter type. There are three kinds of adapter. So now we are looking for adapter for JDBC. So just select and next. Here two connections are there as we saw earlier. So we need to select this adapter connection. Okay, click on next. Here you can see the different kinds of a template: custom, select, update, insert, and delete. Okay, so likewise we need to select this update SQL and then click on finish. So now you can see here this update adapter service one adapter service got created. Okay, so click on this particular adapter service, and here we need to select your database, your table schema. Okay, so click on this three dot, then book this is our database, current schema, then this book this is my table name. Okay, then click on ok. After that, click on update option, entry. Okay, with the help of this option you can selecting this field. If you want to select all the fields, then just click on this particular option, and with the help of this option you can delete the field. Okay, so now I want to change the author name. Okay, so what I do, select this author in this particular update option, click on where. Okay, update. Here you need to change the database data type. Okay, so here it's already in string, no problem. In where tab we need to select the book id, like book id this is our primary key. Okay, so we are selecting this kind of primary key here, and also we need to change this input field type as a string. Okay, now in result you can mention the result field as a result, so that you'll get to know how many number, like result it's work as a count. Okay, so after that adapter setting you can see adapter name, adapter connection name, and SQL update, like update SQL template is there. Okay, now input output you can see result, but this is a object. I mean we are looking for a string only. So how you can edit that? Result field type, here you can select the java dot language dot string. Okay, after that input output you can check here, the particular result field got changed. Log field you can see here, and comment you can mention here. Okay, so once you get everything, then click on save. After that, click on this update adapter service one, run as flows, run as service only. Okay, here we need to mention the author author name. Okay, so author as a uh, v dot s dot undertaker. Okay, and book id, so let me check in SQL Studio, SQL Management Studio. Book id is 107, then mention as a 107 only, and click on OK. Now here you can see, let me maximize this result screen. Here you can see the update adapter service 1 output, result 1. It means 1 details got updated. Okay, so let me show you in the SQL Studio. Just click on this particular table, select of 100 rows. Okay, so now here you can change, like you can see here, author is XYZ changed to VS Kandekar. Okay. So guys, that's all about today's demonstration. Here we saw how you can update the particular database details. Okay. So here we have only one data, it's fine, but if you have in your live project, if you have a 100, yeah, 200, like number of records we have, and with the help of only book idea primary key we can update the particular details. We need to create only adapter service, mention your JDBC connectivity database details, so that you can do. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, you can share with your friends and give a valuable comment. Okay, because your subscription is our motivation, and we'll see you in next workshop. So till the time, say stay connected and stay happy. Thank you so much.